Whoa.
Oh, God. Throw harder.
Here we go. Special effects.
Special effects.
No one knew when the grass was
Burn.
That hurt, actually. Early one morning, smoke bombs were set off, and then the shot heard around the world began.
Man, those guys had better run.
Get back. Whoa, why are you...
And that is how you set a fire.
Get back, dude. Get back, dude. All kids get back.
Holy cow. Here we go again. Here we go again.
Oh my god.
Smoking down.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh my god, there's one over there. Oh my god.
Oh, it's on fire.
Holy shit. Excuse me.
This just got R-rated.
Oh my god. Keep recording.
Taking it to a whole new level now. Sorry, Charlotte, if I knocked you over trying to get out of the way. Megan.
This movie is now rated R.
Okay. That's a good idea. Are you still recording?
Yes, I saw mine.
It really is.
That almost let the whole forest
That
on
battery thing was not, that was not the plan. The battery was supposed to go every different direction.
Y'all want to do it on the dock? Okay. Is that what you put out? Just making sure.
A lot of smoke.
The smoke is dissipating now, but yeah, that's what
This movie is now rated R. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
This movie is now rated R thanks to you.
I think it's fine.
Mom, the whole forest down.
Actually, it was a great start. I know.